Hi everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to tell you how you can easily pair your HP Roller BD speaker with your MacBook. So at first we have to click this Bluetooth icon at the top, and here go to Bluetooth settings. Now we have to make sure that our speaker is not connected to any other device, and then we have to turn this speaker on with the power button, of course.
Hello.
As you can see, if the speaker is not connected to any device, it will be in our devices. We have to hover the speaker and click connect. And after a few seconds, we can see that our device is connected.
Paired device connected.
That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.